my name is Ria Yulianti. You can call me Riri. I will explain about question word in English. Okay, I will explain question in English about explanation, function, type, and example. For the first explanation, question word are used to ask question in English. Question word in English are also known as WH question, which consists of 9 question words starting with the letter W and 1 question word starting with the letter H. Next, function. They help us get the information we need in conversation or reading. For example, the word what is used to ask about something that does not have a specific shape or characteristic. Next, type and example. Question words in English or that are commonly used are who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, what, and how. Question words are function words used to ask question. In interrogative sentence, they usually must be accompanied by question word or question. Who. Who is an English question word used to ask about the identity of person or group or people or who. Who is an English question word used to ask about the identity of a person or group or people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who function to help us identify the relevant person or subject in context. For example, 1. Who is he? 2. Who are your parents? 3. Who won the game? What is an English question word used to ask about object, activities, or concept that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about a particular object, activity, or concept in conversation or situation. For example, 1. What is your favorite color? 2. What time is it? 3. What did you eat for breakfast? When is a question word in English that is used to ask the time or period of time in which an event occurs. Its function is to obtain information about a certain time or period in a conversation or situation, and to help us understand the sequence or schedule of an event. Example sentence. 1. When is your birthday? 2. When did you arrive in Jakarta? 3. When is the next train to London? Where is a question word in English that is used to ask about the location or place where an event occurs in a conversation or situation. Example sentence. 1. Where is the nearest hospital? 2. Where did you go on vacation last year? 3. Where are my guys? Why this word is used to ask reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example sentence. 1. Why did you come to party? 2. Why are you late? 3. Why did you choose this university? Which is an English question word that help us choose between several options. Its function is to ask for information about a particular choice from a number of available options to help us in decision making or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. Example sentence. 1. Which color do you prefer, red or blue? 2. Which book are you reading right now? 3. Which movie did you watch last night? Whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help us in determining the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. Example sentence. 1. To whom did you give the parents? 2. Whom did she invite to the party? 3. Whom do you trust the most? Whose. Whose is a question word in English that is used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. Example sentence. 1. Whose book is this? 2. Whose car is parked outside? 3. Whose idea was it to organize the event? How. How is an English question word used to ask about the why or process of how an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. Example sentence. 1. How do you bake a cake? 2. How did you learn to ride a bike? 3. How can I improve my English speaking skill? How many? How many is an English question word used to asking about quantity and used countable nouns. Example sentence. 1. How many people were there? 2. How many pencils do you have? 3. How many stock lipstick in here? How much? How much is an English question word used to asking about quantity and used with countable nouns. Example sentence. 1. How much money do you have? 2. How much do you love me? 3. How much didn't hurt? How often? How often in an English question word used to asking about frequency for activity or frequency about something. Example sentence. 1. How often do you go swimming this month? 2. How often do you read Al-Quran today? 3. How often do you help your mother? And now, finish. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.